Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram videos not playing on iPhone. First up, let's ensure it's not your internet connection causing the trouble. A quick way to check this is to switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if there's any improvement. Then tap the airplane icon to turn on, wait a few seconds and tap it again to turn it off to reconnect to your networks. Now try to play the video, still it's not working. Try next step, check Telegram app. Update outdated apps can lead to all sorts of issues. So let's check if your Telegram app is up to date. Open the App Store, tap on your profile icon at the top right, and scroll down to see if there is an update for Telegram. Hit update if there is one, then go to the Telegram app and try to update the video. Still not playing, try next. Check date and time settings. Incorrect date and time settings can mess with app functionalities. To fix this, go to settings, scroll down and tap general. Then again, scroll down and click on date and time. Make sure set automatically is toggled on. This ensures your phone operates in the correct time zone, syncing properly with Telegram servers. Once you are set, go to Telegram and try to play the video. If it's not playing, try next. Clear Telegram cache. A cluttered cache might be the culprit. To clear it, open Telegram at the bottom right corner, click on the settings. Now scroll down and click on data and storage. Here, click on the storage usage. Here you can see clear entire cache. Tap on it. In the pop-up menu, tap on clear entire cache. This won't delete your chats, just unnecessary data that might be causing issues. Now check whether the video is playing or not in Telegram. Still, no. Try next, restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix minor glitches. To restart your iPhone, swipe down the control panel, look for the power button, tap and hold the button for a few seconds and release it. Then a power button slider appears. Drag the slider, then press the side button again to your iPhone back on after about 30 seconds. Now try to play the video on Telegram. If it is still not playing, try the next step. Reinstall Telegram. To delete, press and hold the Telegram app icon, tap remove app, and then delete. Reinstall it from the App Store and log in again. Now try to play your video, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.